I'm going to be focusing on the election that is taking place today, and that is the Jamaica general election. This is the Night Show with Tim Douglas. After 3 nights of debate, Jamaicans are now ready to cast their vote. The JLP regurgitate their successes for the last 4 years and warn Jamaicans not to trust the promises of the PNP. The PNP, on the other hand, flaunt their manifesto that promised Jamaicans homes and economic success, but not a clear picture of how those projects will be funded. If this was an election about the party leaders, Jamaicans would have a clear winner in Andrew Holness. Unfortunately, the party that wins the most seats in Parliament will be declared the winner, and their party president will become the Prime Minister. After the election of 2016, the JLP won 49.5% of 882,000 votes. However, 48% of the 1.8 million registered voters did not vote that year. Also, the Jamaican population at the time was around 2.9 million, which means a significant portion of the population did not vote. As of 2020, the Jamaican population is still close to 2.9 million, and it is estimated there will be a repeat of the same voter turnout or even less. It is unbelievable that a small fraction of the Jamaican population will decide the future of the Jamaican government and the Jamaican economy. If the JLP is to hold on to their power, they need to maintain majority seats in Parliament. Currently, they have 33 seats and the PNP 30. There are some tough races in rural areas of the country, and if voters don't turn out, the result may be disappointing, which depends on your political sway. I know I throw out a lot of facts, and there is a reason for it. As members of a society, we have to take our emotions out of our decisions and think practically. The economic progress that Jamaica made in the last 4 years is a testament to the dedication of the current administration. Yes, they have not achieved all their goals, but that is expected when a country is in an economic recovery after decades of mismanagement. The PNP is offering a 100-meter dash to the finish line, and they want Jamaicans to believe they can break records like Usain Bolt, knowing damn well they will never achieve that objective. While the JLP is looking at the issues of the country holistically and is making small progress to make sure what they implement is actually working. Every government will be criticized by their opposition, but it is up to the people to see through the deception, whether it is from the government or from the opposition. At this point, the only thing I ask of you is to stop thinking about the party and look at what Jamaica achieved and ask yourself, do you feel better about the country's future now or 4 years ago when the PNP was in office? I will remind you again, no make them fool you. All them care about a power. Them a live in a big house while others are living a shamble. Some only a try run, some only a run just for get title. Some of them not even a do it for the sake of their constituents. You can't rush progress, and it is exactly what the PNP is offering. Them a try fast track all of them plans, and in the process, Jamaica might end up back into a financial situation where Jamaica need to get another bailout from the IMF, and it will increase the government debt, which the current administration significantly reduced. Don't believe them. Vote your conscience. Take care. If you agree with me, post your comments below. If you don't agree with me, post your comments below. Thank you for watching.